Number 5 of playing with numbers. Today we'll discuss another set of LCM and HCF. Okay, firstly I'll discuss what are LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more numbers. Two or more numbers is the lowest or smallest of their common multiples. ठीक है, what is LCM? LCM is the least common multiple, or you can say lower common multiple of two or more number, which is the smallest among the multiples. Okay, suppose we have three numbers, we need to find the LCM of these three numbers. What you'll do, you'll form a table 15, 30, 90. Okay, you'll start with the smallest number. 15 not goes with 2, you'll write 50. It goes with 15, it goes with 45. They all comes in the table of 3. You'll write 3, 5, 15, 3, 5, 15 and 3, 15, 45. Okay, now they all comes in the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Next is 5 ones are 5 ones are and it is 3 ones are and 3 ones are. Now what will be the LCM? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, what will be the LCM? The LCM will be 2, 3, 6, 6, 5, 30 and 30 into 3 is 90. So what will be the LCM of 15, 30 and 90 is 90. ठीक है, there are two methods of finding LCM. This method is known as division method, and next we have listing method. What you need to do, you need to find the factors of 15, then you need to find the factors of 30, then you need to find the factors of 90, then you need to find the lowest common multiple among these three, and at the last you need to find the LCM. These are the two ways of finding LCM, but the most common method is finding LCM by this method. This method is known as finding LCM by division method. Now we'll move on to next topic, that is finding HCF. Okay class, now we'll start with next concept, that is HCF. The only difference with HCF and LCM is that LCM consists of least common multiple, whereas HCF consists of highest common factors. Okay, what is HCF? The highest common factor of two or more given number is the highest of their common factors. ठीक है, in our previous definition, that was LCM, we were discussing about the least common multiple. Now we are talking about highest common factor. Just keep this thing in mind. HCF जो है आपका वो factor से deal करता है और LCM जो है आपका वो multiple से deal करता है. ठीक है, there are also two ways of finding the HCF. ठीक है, one is not mentioned in your book, that is division method. We have done this method in I think 5th class. ठीक है, today we'll discuss division method as well as prime factorization method. There are two methods of finding HCF of two or more given number, that is by division method and next is by prime factorization. Firstly, I will tell you about to find the highest common factor using division method. 54, 48. Okay, 48 1, 48. Okay, we'll take carry from here. 14 में से 18 गया, we are left with 6. Now it will become divisor. ठीक है, 48 6 8 are 48. This 48, 48 minus 48 is 0. When we get the remainder 0, ठीक है, then this portion is known as HCF. Then this portion is known as HCF. ठीक है, this is the way of finding HCF using division method. Now I'll tell you to find the HCF using prime factorization. Firstly, what you need to do, you need to find one method is finding HCF by division method. Next method is to find the HCF by using prime factorization method. Firstly, we'll express it as prime factorization, then we'll express it as prime factorization, then we find the common factors. After finding the common factors, हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? HCF. चलिए लेट्स फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 48. 2 24, 2 12 2 6 2 3 and 3 1. ठीक है. Now we'll find the factors of 54. We'll write 54 here. 2 27s, 3 9s, 3 3s, 3 1s. ठीक है. What are the common factors of 48 and 54? Firstly, I'll write the factors of 48. They are 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next, common factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. What are the common factors? 2 2 3 3. So HCF will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3. HCF is equal to 6. So there were the two ways of finding HCF. One is by using prime factorization. Next is by using division method. जो भी मेथड आपको इजी लगेगा, आपको इस मेथड से करना आप इस मेथड से करिए, आपको इस मेथड से करना आप इस मेथड से करिए. जो भी मेथड आपको इजी लगता है आप वो मेथड चूज कर सकते हैं. सो दिस कंप्लीट्स योर चैप्टर नंबर 3, दैट इज प्लेइंग विद नंबर. Hope you all understood about this chapter. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy.